What's up, everybody? It's Miss Wilson on the ones and twos, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure that you click that subscribe button and the bell, because I can tell you right now, this is your new one-stop shop for all things math. And trust me, you do not want to miss out. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Today I'm going to review how to multiply a single digit number times a multi-digit number, but I'm going to show you the second strategy called the area model. But definitely go back and watch my other video where I show you the first strategy called the standard algorithm. Alright, so y'all ready? Alright. Find the product of 349 times 2. Remember, product just means the answer to a multiplication problem. So first you're going to draw a box like this. Then you're going to write the larger number on top of the box in expanded form. Expanded form is when we write a number sentence using the value of each individual digit, like this: 300 plus 40 plus 9. 3 is in the hundreds place, so its value is 300. 4 is in the tens place, so its value is 40. And 9 is in the ones place, so its value is just 9. Now, wherever you see a plus sign, make a line down the box. Notice how 300 has the largest box and 9 has the smallest box. Now write your other digit on the other side of the box. Next, we're going to multiply the length of each box and the width of each box to find the area of each box, which is the reason we call it an area model. Lucky for us, the length of each box is the same, 2. So first, 2 times 300. Since 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 300 is 600. Next, 2 times 40. 2 times 4 is 8, so 2 times 40 is 80. And then 2 times 9, which is 18. Last thing we have to do is add all the area numbers together. Another word for these numbers in the box are partial products, because they're only parts of the product. 600 plus 80 plus 18. And when we add that together, we get 698. So the product of 349 times 2 is 698. Nice job. Let's do another one. 7 times 3,194. This time we have a number that goes to the thousands place. But again, we're going to start off with drawing our box. Then we're going to write our larger number in expanded form on top of the box. 3,000 plus 100 plus 90 plus 4. The 3 is in the thousands place, so that's 3,000. The 1 is in the hundreds place, so that's 100. The 9 is in the tens place, so that's 90. And the 4 is in the ones place, so that's 4. Don't forget those lines everywhere you see a plus sign. And then write your other digit, 7, on the side. And then we multiply. 7 times 3,000. Well, I know 7 times 3 is 21. So 7 times 3,000 is 21,000. 7 times 100 equals 700. 7 times 90, well, 7 times 9 is 63. So if we put a 0 behind the 63, that's going to be 630. And finally, 7 times 4 is 28. And then we just add together all of our partial products. 21,000 plus 700 plus 630 plus 28. When we add those together, we get 22,358. Let's add in our comma. And there we go. 7 times 3,194 equals 22,358. Good job, y'all.